Dahil bata. Kasi
DDS.
naman kaibigan mo kasi.
Hindi ko kaibigan. We have never met.
Kaya,
Never
kaya
ko
mo
na-meet si
sinasabing
ano,
si Sarah Astig.
Astig talaga, di ba? Inunahan nila eh.
Posisyon.
Inunahan nila, pinailan nila ng impeachment. Tapiro mo yun, bulat-latin mo ang confidential funds ng Vice President. Pero yung sa President at saka sa DND Secretary na billions, hindi niya bulat-latin. Di ba?
Diba?
So I was against impeachment at the start. I have to correct that impression na kaibigan ko si Vice President Sara Duterte and we have never met.
Oh, you've never met?
She only appeared in my court once. Pag-register ng kanyang political party.
Ang Comelec.
Nagtataka ako, masyadong
Comelec.
ang defense mo kay Sarah, gano'n na lang.
Hindi pala kayo magkakilala.
No, maybe because yung mga principles ko, like sabi ko sa impeachment, bakit ano ako, uto-uto ako ni Martin Romualdez? Na pag sinabi niya impeach si Sara, sasang-ayon ako. At tinignan ko yung ebidensya niyo eh. Ako as former commissioner of COA,
Of audit. Yeah.
i-impeach niyo ang vice president
Tuloy
dahil
natin,
hindi
ma'am.
tama yung
Oo.
pag-liquidate niya ng confidential fund niya.
Hindi, tama nga. Sinabi ng Comelec eh. Actually, in Comelec,
No, COA
parang
said.
not Comelec. COA already settled this.
Diba?
Eh. Parang,
Paano niya settle?
she has already explained to COA. It is a
Unmodified opinion na.
unmodified opinion ng
Ay,
binigay ng
anong
COA.
basis niyo dyan?
Nakasibotol mo. Tingnan nyo yung mukha ng Montulfo na yan, mga natin. So, parang iiyak na. Hindi siya makapag...
Kasi,
Unmodified opinion.
my point is, it is not an impeachable offense as breach of trust and confidence when a government agency is under the Constitution duty bound to correct that wrong. In other words, you have to prove in plunder na binulsa niya yun.
Diba?
Ang COA did not say that.
Ang point doon is hindi niya hindi niya na-liquidate ng tama. Hindi tama yung mga resibo.
Oh,
hindi
yung mga
tama.
resibo, yung
Oh.
Piatos, Mary Grace
So,
Piatos,
hindi
kung
tama.
ano-anong...
Hindi tama.
But
Is that plunder? What is your proof na binulsa niya yun? Hindi tama. That is why may COA na
It
nag-check
should be COA who will determine that. Who can ascertain that.
na-liquidate
recommend
ba ng
action.
tama. Kasi pag hindi niya na-liquidate ng tama, COA will require her to refund the government.